Hi! In front of me is OPPO A16S, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. First of all, open your app that you wish to use in this view, in my case Chrome. Then access background apps and click on those three dots at the top right corner of your app. From this list, select floating windows and click on this tiny one. As you can see, after that, I can use my window in pop-up view. In order to move it around, hold this line and drag it. You can also make it small by clicking on Home button or turn it into a bubble by swiping it to the side. Then access it by clicking on this bubble and smaller window. In order to use your app, overlay the other one, just click on any other one and use both. If you want to make your app full size, you can do that by clicking on it and tapping on top left corner. In order to close it though, you can swipe it up in background apps or just click on the top right corner on this X icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!